How to install the Pokemon Sidekick Live Wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen of your Poco F1 without having to root your device. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Pokemon Sidekick Live Wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen of your Poco F1 without having to root your device. We'll first go into settings, about phone, and as you can see right now I am running MIUI 11 Global Stable version 11.0.5.0 based on Android 9.0 Pie. Will this process work on MIUI 10.3.8.0? I do not have an answer for that right now. However, if any one of you tries it on MIUI 10, do let me know via comments below so that we can add it to the pinned comment. What is the first thing you need to do? The first thing you need to do is enable developer options. For that, you'll go into settings and then you'll go into about phone and you need to tap on the MIUI version a few times till you get a message that you are now a developer. And there it is, we got the message that we are now a developer. Next thing, you need to download the APKs and the zip file which is linked in the description of this video. So we'll go into file manager and then we'll go into APKs, and these are the three APKs which you need. The first APK you need is the Google Pixel 4 Live Wallpapers APK, and this is needed only if you want the other Google Pixel 4 Live Wallpapers. If you want only the Pokemon Sidekick Live Wallpaper, then you do not need this APK. Then you need the Google Wallpapers application and you need the Split APK installer application. As for the zip file which we need, the zip file which we need, as I mentioned earlier, is also linked in the description of this video, and this is the zip file which is Pokemon Sidekick Wallpaper.zip. So we'll go back into APKs, and the first APK which you need to install is the Google Wallpaper APK. Click on install. Once the application has installed successfully, we will go back. The next APK which you need to install is the Split APK Installer APK. Select this file, click on install. Once Split APK Installer application has installed successfully, click on open. It is giving us a message that MIUI has been detected and we need to disable MIUI optimization. So we'll click on open developer settings. Once we are in developer options, you need to scroll down all the way and you will see a toggle for turn on MIUI optimization. If this toggle is enabled for you, then you need to disable it. Again, I repeat myself, if turn on MIUI optimization is enabled for you, we need to disable it. You'll get a pop-up message, click on turn off, and as you can see now that MIUI optimization has been turned off. We will click on the back button and that will open up Split APK Installer application homepage. Here you need to click on install APKs. If it asks you for storage permission, click on allow. It will open the file manager application, and now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the Pokemon Sidekick Wallpaper zip file. In case you downloaded the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. In my case, it is in the root directory. So this is the file which you are looking for, Pokemon Sidekick Wallpaper.zip. Click on the box beside it, make sure you get the green check mark option, and then click on select. As you can see, it is now installing the APKs. And we are getting a message that the Split APK Installer application does not have access to install APKs. We'll go into settings and select allow from this source. Then you can go back and click on install. You will get a message that Pixel Live Wallpaper has been installed. Now we will click on OK, click on the home button, and now we can open the Wallpapers application which we had installed. So this is the application I'm talking about. Let's bring it over to the home screen. Click on Wallpapers. And as you can see, we are getting a message to allow access to storage. We will click on allow access, allow one more time. Now, if you go into live wallpapers, bam, there we have it, Pokemon Sidekick live wallpaper in the building. Click on it, and if you want to provide it permission to location so that the Pokemons change based on your location and your weather, you can click on continue, and then you'll get a pop-up message to allow location. Click on allow. Of course, if you want to change your Pokemons, you can choose between 5 different options by double tapping. Second option, third option, fourth option, fifth option, and back to my friend Pikachu. Once you're done, click on set wallpaper, click on home and lock screen both, and there it is, Pikachu in the building. Double tap to change it, double tap one more time, double tap one more time, double tap one more time, double tap one last time to get back to my friend Pikachu. We can now check whether it is working on the lock screen or not. So as you can see right now, it is not working on the lock screen. Now how do you fix this? The fix is very simple. All you need to do is go into your camera application, record a small video. Once you've recorded a small video, go into gallery, select that video, click on the three dot menu on the bottom and then select set video wallpaper, click on apply and set both. Once this is done, this small video will be set as your home screen wallpaper and your lock screen wallpaper as well. Now if you go back into the wallpapers application, click on live wallpapers, Pokemon sidekick, set wallpaper, wallpaper set successfully, working like a boss on the home screen and working like a boss on the lock screen as well. Now as you can see, if you go into the wallpapers application and then live wallpapers, we only have the Pokemon sidekick live wallpaper. What if you want the other pixel for live wallpapers? Well, for that all you need to do is go back into file manager, apks, and install this Pixel for Live Wallpapers APK. Select this file and then click on install. Once you get a message that application has been installed successfully, just click on done. Back to the home screen, go into the wallpapers application one more time, and bam, we are by default in the live wallpapers section, and we have the other Pixel for Live Wallpapers as well, along with my friend Pokemon Sidekick in the building. So there it is, peeps. That is how you set Pokemon Sidekick Live Wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen of your Poco F1 without having to root your device. And that will do it for this video, peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.